Good morning. It is already 7 a.m. I am up on the field and I've already started weeding. So need to get out here early in the morning before the heat wave starts. So I have a couple of hours before it gets too hot. Here we go. Okay, I finally finished up with the corn weeding. That took a while. There you go. So we're going to go ahead and water it, and hopefully it survives this heat wave that we will have this week. Hey, here are the pumpkins. They are doing so fabulous. They are enjoying this heat, and this black tarp is the best as it clings onto the tarp and the vines just spread. And in the fall, the pumpkin fruit itself actually is on the tarp, and therefore it doesn't get moldy until it's ready to harvest. So there's my pumpkin patch. So after this last rainstorm came through, everything has just grown immensely. The corn is twice the size as it was on Monday. The pumpkins have just exploded. And yes, all the pumpkins have fruits on them. And I've already counted about 5 of them, and they are just spreading everywhere. So this tarp is actually wonderful. So if you do not have it, an idea for next year. Oh, and the peppers. Here we go. Here we go, peppers. And every plant has a massive pepper on it. And there's 12 plants. So every single one has a pepper on it. And here is the watermelon. Yes, it is growing, and yes, it is in colander. I saw this off of YouTube. Somebody else had this idea. You put all the melons in here, and then the water just drains down, and it keeps it from molding. Here's the other watermelon, and it's already grown double in size. It's looking good. Here are my shallots, and I think they're about ready to be harvested soon. So either this week or next week. Probably go ahead and just pull these out. Mini little shallots. Yes, this is my wild zucchini plant. Wild because these were the seeds that were in the ground from last year, and it just came up on its own. So yeah, there are zucchini plants, actual fruit on there. And there's about 2 or 3 of them, and as soon as these get a little bit bigger, is going to be time to start making zucchini powder, because I'm almost out, and it tastes so good in soups and baked goods.